Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Debenhams credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to activate your credit card for Debenhams, then you can easily do it with the Debenhams card application or through the online account. Simply open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in portal.newdaycards.com/Debenhams/activate and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, it'll tell you what you'll need in order to activate your credit card. In order to do so, you'll need your account details, your phone number, and your online registration number. Click on the Continue button at the bottom and on the next page, fill in your account information. Start off by your last name and then type in your postcode on the next field. Once you enter a valid postcode, type in your card number in the next field under cardholder details. Enter the expiry date for your card on the next field. And while entering your card details, make sure that you are typing it in correct. Scroll down after you are done and click on this I have read and agreed to the online servicing terms and conditions. After you do that, click on the Continue button. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. You'll be able to activate your Debenhams credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.